In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer games to Steam Deck from PC. If you want to move your game files more quickly without downloading everything again from the internet, Steam has a built-in local network transfer feature that can make the process much easier. This is especially useful if the game is already installed on your PC and you want your Steam Deck to pull those files directly from your home network instead of downloading them from Steam servers. To get started, open Steam on your PC and go to Steam, then Settings, then Downloads. In the Downloads section, look for the option called Game File Transfer over Local Network. This is the setting that controls whether Steam can send and receive installed game files between devices on the same network. Open that section and make sure the feature is turned on. Once you've done that on your PC, repeat the same process on your Steam Deck. Open Steam there as well. Then go into Settings, then Downloads, and find Game File Transfer over Local Network. Enable it on the Steam Deck too. This part is important because the transfer feature needs to be active on both devices in order for Steam to recognize that it can move files locally. Make sure both your PC and your Steam Deck are connected to the same local network. In most cases, that means the same Wi-Fi network in your home. If one device is on a different network, or if one is using a connection that isolates devices from each other, the transfer may not work properly. For the best results, keep both devices connected and signed into the same Steam account, or into accounts that are allowed to share the transfer feature based on Steam's current settings. After the feature is enabled on both devices, Steam can automatically use your PC as the source when you install the same game on the Steam Deck. Instead of downloading the full game from the internet, the deck can pull the files over your local network, which is often much faster and can save bandwidth as well. If it doesn't start right away, give Steam a moment to detect the other device, and make sure both apps are fully updated. That's all you need to do to set it up. Once enabled, local game transfers can be a simple and convenient way to get your games onto your Steam Deck faster.